Looking forward to the moment which is intended to terminate the career of my political life, my feelings do not permit me to spend this acknowledgement out of that depth of gratitude which I owe to my beloved country for the many honors. It has conferred upon me still more for the steadfast confidence with which it has supported me, and for the opportunity I have since enjoyed of manifesting my inviolable attachment, my services, faithful and persevering. Though in usefulness unequal to my field, its benefits have excluded to our country from these services. Let it always be remembered to your faith and as an instructive example in our annals that under circumstances in which the passion agitated in every direction were liable to mislead amid appearances, sometimes dubious vicissitudes of fortune, often discouraging in situations in which not unfrequently one of success has come tenant the spirit of criticism, the constancy of your support was the essential rock of the efforts of a guarantee of the plans by which they were effected. Thank you.
Alam mo na may potential ka. Hindi mo na binayo.